Hello everyone, my name is Jon-Paul Sherlock and I'm a chemical engineer. I lead manufacturing technology strategy for AstraZeneca and drive the introduction of more intensified, autonomous and sustainable manufacturing platforms to ensure the AZ medicine supply network is fit for the future. My journey into chemical engineering began with an appreciation of chemical engineering event at the University of Birmingham. I was introduced to kilomoles, to technologies enabling scale manufacture and learned how outcomes could be predicted using engineering models. The societal benefit and technical challenge were compelling, and I was hooked. One of my earliest jobs was to commission a new continuous agrochemical production facility. This shaped my understanding of the potential of engineering and influenced me considerably when I transitioned to the pharmaceuticals industry, where chemistry and pharmacy were dominant. During my 25 years in pharma, I have led organisations and strategic projects. Throughout, I have been committed to deliver change through engineering practice that improves the development and commercialisation of medicines for the benefit of patients. Working at interfaces has been essential, interfaces between engineers and chemists, pharmacists, and increasingly IT, automation and data science. The end-to-end continuous drug substance manufacturing program I lead has set up a multi-purpose modular clinical facility and is building a commercialisation replica. This elegant engineering solution increases speed, reduces cost, enables greater digitalisation with advanced process control, and provides access to more sustainable and higher yielding chemical transformations. Beyond AZ, I've used my experiences to drive broader change in the sector, working extensively with academia, industry and UK government. I've supported establishment of self-sustaining organisations that create jobs and infrastructure for the UK to lead in digital design and manufacturing innovation. I'm also passionate about bringing engineers into the industry and creating an environment where they thrive and grow, which I do through my work with universities and the IChemE. I'm honoured to be elected as a Fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering, and I look forward to contributing to the Academy's work. Thank you.